An array declaration.
Single name number. Many values array size.
JavaScript arrays map is used to transform arrays and returning a new array with the results. JavaScript array size 5. Here accumulated 1, current 2. Use subtraction. Accumulated minus current result minus 1. First step result, second step accumulated value. JavaScript array spread operator. Quickly copy all or part of an existing array. JavaScript arrays destructuring. Unpack values from arrays. JavaScript arrays destructuring map. Unpack values from arrays by using map. JavaScript arrays destructuring map set. Unpack values from arrays by using map. Set. JavaScript arrays destructuring map set use for. Unpack values from arrays by using map. Set. Use for.